Hello everyone, dear friend. Hope you are fine, good, and well. Today we are going to review another coin of the United Kingdom, the old coin, 90s coin 1971, the date of manufacturing of the coin. The country is United Kingdom, the currency is pound, and the face value is penny. And the new pensy coin type is two new Pensy as well. You can see in front of your screen two new Pensy. If we take a quick review of the coin, let me zoom little bit. Here you can see the two new Pensy. The border is dotted, outside dotted border line. Within a beaded circle, the badge of the Prince of Wales, a plume of three ostrich feathers. Within a coronet, above the issue German motto ICHDIEN. Here inside ICHDIEN is engraved. Let me zoom little bit more so if we can see the phrase from this side. It's not too much clear now. It's little bit ICH. You can see this side is very clear DIEN. The numeral value 2 is written below the badge, and the denomination new Pansy is around above. You can see the crown with flowers, ostrich feathers is very cool. You can see the meaning of this ICHDIEN German motto is I serve. Just little motivation line is engraved here, I serve. And the other design is very cool. The ribbon, you can see the two is big engraved, and the new Pansy, you can see it's just simple and but cool, and a little bit also powerful because of these feathers. It's giving a different design to the coin. It's an old, very cool design to new Pensy. From this side we have done. Now we will go to the other side of the coin and have a look what we gonna see to other side of the coin. Here we go. The commemorative coin. The mostly United Kingdom coin is commemorative. You can see 1971, as I told you in the start of the coin. Same beaded circle border outside, and with the beautiful Queen Elizabeth crowned and draped young bust of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, her FG known as the second portrait. This portrait is known as second portrait of the Queen Elizabeth. Here a little bit zoom, you can see the crown, the hairs, the nose cut, the eyes cut, the nose cut, the lips cut, the chin. It's everything is very neat and clearly we can see on this side. The Queen wears the gulls of Great Britain and Ireland diamond tiara. This her history of this diamond tiara is wedding gift. Great Britain Ireland diamond tiara. The crown she wearing, it's wedding gift from Queen Mary, her grandmother, in 1947. This is second portrait, and the 1947 her grandmother gift this crown to the Queen Elizabeth, which also has on the rank broadly and the Gottwald portraits. So in both portraits, these diamond crown also have around the monarch legend and the date of issue. Here you can see Elizabeth II DGREGFT 1971, translated from Latin Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen and Defender of the Faith 1971. If we did translation of this in very simple and easy English. So this is, we have to get by our information. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, defender of the faith. Queen Elizabeth is also always defender of the faith, is meant to be. So this is the very cool and beautiful side of the commemorative coin. We have done with front and back side of the coin. Now we will see the middle center side of the coin and see if it's reeded and it's plain. It's old coin, so its chances to be plain. Yes, here you can see it's just plain. Here you can see just plain. No any reeded, no any line work. It's just plain. So this is very cool coin. The history of this coin is not we can see the history, but the signs and of this coin, the logos of the ostrich feather we see is very cool, and the portrait of the Elizabeth and Queen Elizabeth, and the little information about the crown gifts by her grandmother. So these things are always something is there to get in the coins. So if you have same coin, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box. And if you love to collect the coins like me, so also tell me in the comment box. We will catch you in next video with next another coin, maybe in the same country but different date, different face value, different manufacturing date. So for now we have to go. We will catch you later. So take care and bye.